Data analysis is a field where incorporating AI technology can be used. How AI works. First, we feed the AI with learning waveforms so it can detect and learn patterns. The learning results are stored as a guideline that all operational data will be compared with. When the system is fed with operational data, the AI compares it with the stored guideline and understands if the diagnostic waveform is similar or not similar to the normal pattern. The more patterns it learns, the more precise the system becomes. That's why AI can get really skilled in recognizing patterns and becomes highly accurate in diagnosis of the production process.